schedule your technician appointment early so connectivity is ready on move-in day. When preparing for a cable and internet move, start by contacting your current provider and any new provider as soon as moving plans are confirmed, giving them your target install date and full new address so they can check service availability and reserve a technician slot. Confirm transfer windows and any potential installer visit windows so you know whether the provider will move your existing account or requires a new service order, and ask about required equipment like a modem or optical network terminal if fiber is available. If your new home might have fiber optic service, explicitly request a fiber availability check and ask whether installation requires an exterior drop or indoor wiring changes so you can plan access and any minor carpentry or conduit needs. Prepare an install folder with account numbers, passwords, billing information, and clear photos of the existing meter and external cable entry points at the new property so the technician can assess line entry quickly. Clear the installation area beforehand by moving furniture and ensuring easy access to the primary wiring location, routers, and power outlets, and keep a power strip and an extra Ethernet cable available to speed verification. On install day, run a basic test with the technician, verify download and upload speeds on a phone or laptop, confirm television signal, and set top box channel lists, if applicable, and ask for simple troubleshooting steps to resolve common post-install issues. Common mistakes are booking too late and facing no available technician near move-in day, not confirming service availability and finding that the building does not support your current technology, and failing to have account access and passwords ready, which delays activation. To avoid the first, book at least 3 weeks ahead or earlier for high-demand seasons so you have time to reschedule if needed. For the second, ask providers explicitly about copper, coaxial, and fiber options and request a written or emailed confirmation of service type and any expected additional charges. For the third, gather login credentials, account PIN numbers, and billing verification details into a secure note or printed sheet and bring it to the appointment so the technician can complete activation without waiting for remote account access. We host bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners coordinate projects like cable and internet moves and to connect them with local technicians and contractors who can help with on-site work. Our community discussion boards let us share tips, ask questions, and get real experiences from other movers and professionals, and we help contractors find new work through project leads and local visibility.